Hi guys, it's Master Coach Tony Morgan. On this real short video, I'm just going to tell you about if you need to drain a boiler down because you need to change a part like this diverter valve. What you need to listen to, if you listen very carefully, you'll hear like a gurgling noise. That gurgling noise is coming from the expansion vessel. So what would happen, the boiler being drained down, the isolation valves are being closed. However, if I was to open this nut here, which is on the primary side, connected to the expansion vessel, though I've drained the boiler and I think it's all clear, water would cascade out over here, this connection, because water is trapped inside the expansion vessel. So that means you have to pump air into the expansion vessel to disperse the water what's trapped inside it. So if you hear that noise, this gurgling noise like this, listen carefully. It means you must pump air into the expansion vessel to disperse it. If you don't, you'll have a leak all over the place. You wonder where the water's coming from. So that's the end of this short video about how to check if you need to repressurize the expansion vessel before you undo any nuts on the primary side of the boiler. So that's it from me, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.